Hello, my name is Dr. Reginald Woods. I'm the senior pastor at Life Changing Ministry in the city of San Bernardino. I want to invite you and your church and people from the community to participate in the Ark of Safety Community Resilience Summit that's coming up on June the 25th from 8 a.m. till 3 p.m. at the Diocese of San Bernardino on Highland Avenue in San Bernardino. We have been blessed to have this event for several years, and I participate several times. It's a great blessing. The event's free, which includes a continental breakfast as well as a lunch. There'll be dynamic speakers, there'll be group sessions. It's all about being prepared for natural disasters and various calamities that people face. We all have to be prepared. And it takes preparation, it takes education on how to get prepared. We think we're ready, but when things happen, we find out how ready we're not. And so this helps us get ready, but not only for ourselves, but also for our family, our churches, our community, our neighbors. You know, God wants us to be a blessing to others. So I would encourage you to attend. There's information out there for registration. If not, if you know me personally or know of me, I'm here in San Bernardino, Life Changing Ministry, Dr. Reginald Woods. Come on out and be a part of it. It'll be a blessing. God bless you. Hope to see you.